everybody, welcome to the all-new Sundance 293 Rear Living. Before we get into this floor plan, I just want to talk about what I really like about the Sundance as a brand. I love that they have a 30-inch wide entry door. I like that they have the friction hinge on the door. This makes getting in and out of the coach to your campsite very, very easy and comfortable, especially if you're bringing food out to your guests at your destination. The other thing that I like as we make our transition to go into this floor plan is the large, more ride solid steps, giving you a lot of security. Now let's go take a look at this floor plan. All right, everybody, we are now on the inside of the 293 Rear Living floor plan. This to me is going to be a floor plan for those of you that are looking for a large couples coach that will easily host a couple guests at your destination, up to 6 to 7 comfortably, depending on their size. This floor plan is going to weigh out about 7,000 pounds dry weight, but you can see you have a lot of space here. So let's get started in the rear living area. You're going to be able to easily seat up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adults comfortably. They're from the theater seating in that sofa to this tri-fold sofa that will fold out to a queen size bed to sleep your guests in the evening. You'll notice you're surrounded with a lot of storage, both in the way of these end tables on both sides and these upper cabinets with nice glass inserts, giving you a very residential feel. The other nice feature that you're going to get as standard are these MCD shades. These are typically an upgrade, especially at this price point, but here they will come standard. And they're covering up very large windows that will, of course, open. So not only are you going to get an excessive amount of natural light coming in here, but also a nice cool breeze to keep this coach nice and cool. So over here is where we have the entertainment cabinet. So again, everything that I'm pointing out and that you see is going to be standard. You're getting the big screen TV. You're getting the nice upgraded hi-fi audio system that has Bluetooth, and it also has pass-through HDMI, which is really important if you bring accessory items like a PlayStation 5. You don't have to run those wires behind this TV. You just plug it into the face of the radio and it will project onto the TV. And of course, you're going to get the fireplace as standard. So if this is a couples coach designed to host a lot of your friends at your destinations, you're not going to be able to enjoy doing that without a beautiful kitchen. So let's get started with the appliances. You're going to start off with this 10.7 cubic foot electric refrigerator, beautifully done with the nice stainless steel finish. You also, of course, are getting the microwave as standard and this nice 3-burner stove with a glass top to allow you to utilize the entire counter space. It's going to be really important when you have a lot of guests at your destinations to have enough storage. Sundance is giving you a lot of storage. You have these nice upper cabinets, all wood, great look with the neutral wood tones. It continues down with these nice pull-out drawers here, and even giving you utility in the island. The storage continues below this entire island perimeter. You have storage from left to right that should accommodate everything that you're going to need for a long trip. Now, some of you may be working remote and you need to be able to set up or quickly log on to a Zoom call. This is a great location in this extended nook to be able to do that. It's very well lit, as you can see. And again, more storage continues over in this area. All right, and lastly, I want to talk about the counter space and come back to this island. You'll notice that the counters, they all match number one. They look very nice and light and bright, but they have that soft beveled edge. Back to this island, you can see you have a lot of counter space to utilize in this perimeter of the entire kitchen. In terms of utility, when you're hosting many guests, you're going to bring large pots and pans. So of course you have the large farmhouse style sink with the high-rise faucet that you can move to accommodate those large pots and pans. Very functional. Also this nice cover that doubles as a cutting board. And if you look at the front, again, Sundance wanted to make the kitchen feel very residential, that home away from home feel. So with the nice integrated LED and these glass inserts, they've hit the mark and made it look very, very nice, as well as continue to make sure it was very functional. All right, so before we go into that master suite, I do want to talk about the slide box as you see where your location is of your theater seating. Up here is where you're going to find your dinette. This, of course, is going to collapse down to give you yet another location for your guests to sleep. Also, you'll notice on the entire perimeter of this slide box, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 very large windows. Again, natural light and that natural cool breeze. All right, we are now here in the master suite. Couple things that I want to hit on. You'll notice the ceiling height, 6'9". So I feel very comfortable in this floor plan. It's very, very spacious here. So you've got a queen size bed around the perimeter of the bed that's very well lit with the LED lighting. You have even more storage. You have wardrobe closets on both sides and these nice upper cabinets that match out in the living room with the nice glass inserts to continue that residential feel here. Also, let's talk about being comfortable. In the evening, when you're here, you have two massive windows that are going to open with those MCD shades as standard for privacy. So it'll give you a lot of function and comfort in this master suite. And lastly, you need to have still more room to store those items when you're at your destination. You have this nice added wardrobe closet right here. If you are looking for an ultralight for you and your family, I invite you to learn more about Sundance by going to heartlandrvs.com. There you'll be able to look at the nearest authorized Sundance dealers, as well as find many more features that are specific to this floor plan. Thanks, everybody.